am so excited to show you this journal because I finished it, yay! So this is a 5x7. This is our small journal in the shop. And I'm just so excited about this. So we're just gonna do a flip through today, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys. So on the cover, this is one of the die cuts, the ephemera kits, the angels in the shop. This is a couple of the clouds, and of course I had to do some embellishing with paint and a little bit of sparkly glitter. This is the inside of the journal, and it comes with this little pocket already sewn in, and I added a little tag, and this one says, "Things that make me different are the things that make me," which is from Piglet from Winnie the Pooh, which I happen to love Winnie the Pooh because they have the cutest little quotes in there, and probably because that was like my first childhood story that I loved. This is one of my Art Foamy stamps, and this is a really fun and easy technique of stamping on paper, and then I actually adhered it to the canvas page. And we did this on, this is one of the videos that you can find in the challenges section. Also in the challenge section, which was one of the 30 days. So if you look in the 30-day challenges, you'll find this art piece in there. And this one too, which is how I was able to finish this journal. So this is one of those challenges. This one says, "Live mindfully. What have you done today, and what more do you plan to do today? Or that you want to do more of?" And I put more time with my friends and more time making art. Because that day I was able to do both. This was also in one of the challenges, so you can find that video in the video section. And I did actually go back and fill it in with I actually filled it in with the words to a song that I absolutely love. And I love the words that it talks, what it says. And so it's just a word that we sing all the time. So a song that we sing all the time. So I thought I would add that in there. I thought it would be fun. This is also in the challenges. So I was able to do quite a few pages to finish. This was also in the challenges. So you can see a lot of these already being made in the, if you check out the art challenge videos that I have, because they're in there. This part of this was in there too. Very fun. This one I had already done, and this has a cute little tag in here with a little pocket, and I did add this pocket to it. This is one of my buttons that I have with these from our Beautiful Blooms. So this is the ephemera collection that has the Beautiful Blooms collection. This heart and the wings, these are plain canvas pieces that are in the shop. And of course I decorated them because, you know, I need to add color to everything. This one says, "Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending." I like that saying. I don't know where I found it, but I like it. So this is a fun page to do. Here's another one of our fairy ephemera that is in the shop. And this was a page that, I think we talked about this on the Mixed Media Monday. I talked about, I ripped the pages by accident. And so instead of freaking out, I just added some glitter behind it and kind of glued it to the next set of pages, which I think we've all done kind of crazy things where we've messed up our journals or whatever. And you know what? We just adjust. The trees and the pennants and the hearts and the mushrooms and the clouds, all pieces of die cut that I painted with acrylic paint, and all in the shop. This is some more little of my favorite quotes from Winnie the Pooh with some little canvas pieces. These are also all in the shop. This one says, "Love is taking a few steps backwards, maybe even more, to give way to the happiness of the person that you love." And that was from Winnie the Pooh. And this one says, "People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day." And that's Winnie said that. I just thought, I don't know, it struck me funny, but Here's another page that, this is super fun and easy. This is actually one of my stamps with Art Foamies. I'm a dream chaser in the shop. Using some glitterific here, some watercolor. I do tend to mix acrylic and watercolor a lot because they do different things and they have totally different looks. I am not opposed to using pens, and so I did use a gold pen for this, especially just to add some more pointed lines. I'm not opposed to using pens ever. This is also one of my Art Foamies stamps, and this is a page that I talked about in Mixed Media Monday. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, Mixed Media Monday, every Monday I am live on Facebook at 8 p.m. for Mixed Media Monday, and I just do like a live tutorial or a demo, or we share a new product and talk about mixed media. We do something with mixed media. So this is actually, it was just a junk paper, a background paper, because for another art project that I was doing, and it was the sprays, and I just thought it was so pretty. So sometimes, you know, we need to keep those papers, and then I cut out this particular section of it because I thought it was so pretty, and added this little white flower. So I like that. And a little stencil page, a little glitterific, another stencil page, just because I liked the way the first one came out. And then I wrote Dream, added a little bit of paint to cover up some things that I did that I didn't like. And then on my last page, this is also in the art challenge videos that you can see. And this one, it says, this is part of a song as well. When the music fades, all is stripped away, and I simply come, longing just to bring something that's of worth that will bless your heart. And I really love that song. But anyway, so I just kind of wanted to, I talk about that in the video about making little representation of what you're actually trying to journal. So, and there's the back with a little cloud. So there's my journal flip through. I really loved making this journal. I'm super excited. I'm like kind of sad because it's finished, but it's just kind of cool because it's done and I feel good about it. So hopefully you like that and you'll give this video a thumbs up. And if you are liking my videos, subscribe, and then that way you'll see the other ones. Alrighty, I will see you in the next video.